A jump rope can improve your posture if you use the right technique and do the right exercises. Here's how you can use a jump rope to improve your posture. Get your posture right before you start jumping rope. Stand up straight with your head over your shoulders and your shoulders relaxed. Keeping your core engaged helps support your spine and keep your posture good. Pull your navel to your spine to contract your ab muscles. It'll stabilize your torso. Now let's get you the proper jump rope form. Pick up the jump rope, keep your elbows close to your side. Start jumping with a small bounce, keeping your feet slightly off the ground. Make sure you're moving the rope with your wrists and forearms instead of your entire arm. Pay attention to your body alignment throughout the jump rope session. Put your head in neutral position, not tilted to one side or forward. Relax your shoulders and don't round your upper back. Consider adding a few posture-specific workouts to add to your jump rope routine. I'll give you a few examples. First, we have the plank. Assume a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, your elbows under your shoulders, and your legs extended behind you. Maintain a straight line from your head to toe while engaging your core and glutes. Supermans. It involves lying your face down on the mat with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground simultaneously while keeping your neck aligned with your spine. Hold for a few seconds, then lower yourself back down. Next, we have squeezing your shoulder blades. While standing or sitting with your arms at your side, pull your shoulder blades towards your spine by squeezing them together. Hold for a few seconds, then release. These exercises are the perfect complement to the jump rope.